Good morning, children. See, children, this is our computer class. Okay, welcome to online computer class. Children, today we are going to start our new lesson, that is starting WordPad. Seventh lesson, lesson number 7. Lesson name is starting WordPad. What is WordPad? First, we will see that. Okay, children? Now, see you. When you open the WordPad window, this is WordPad, okay? WordPad screen. When you open WordPad window, the screen comes like this on your monitor. Okay, this is the WordPad window. Just see, look on the screen. Okay, now I will tell you what is WordPad. See, WordPad is a text editing program. What is text editing program? It's a big word. Okay, see, text means A, B, C, D, whatever alphabets, number you type, that you can type on this WordPad. Okay, do you know Notepad? See, we have already seen Notepad. We have done typing on the Notepad. Yes, in the first standard also we have done that. In the second standard also we have typed a text on the WordPad. Right? Same it is, but it has some extra features, extra things which we can apply, we can do in the WordPad, which are not there in the Notepad. We are going to learn this WordPad now. So, you can type text in this WordPad. It is used to create and edit the document. When you make a file, when you type something and save something, it will become your document. It will become your file. So that file you can change it afterwards. You can create a new file also again. Okay, so you can edit means what? Change. You can make a changes in the file. Then see, like Notepad, WordPad documents, see, we have many features in the WordPad. We can do many things. We can apply color to the text, we can change the style of the text, we can increase the font, you can insert picture also, image also in the WordPad. So, unlike Notepad, WordPad document include rich formatting and graphics. What is that? Graphics. You can insert pictures. Okay, the picture which is there in your computer, that also you can add in your WordPad document. And the formatting option like highlighting text, bullets, line breaks, inserting picture, etc. makes a WordPad powerful tool. It looks very beautiful when you apply all these things in your document. So, see, it has many features like type any text like letters, notice, you can type essay, you can type story in this, and you can save it in your computer for the future use. You whenever you want, you can open it again. Okay, and you can color the text, you can make the size big, small, then you can apply any font size, means you can apply cursive letter, you can use any other handwriting. There are many handwriting styles in the WordPad, and you can insert picture as I told you earlier, and also you can do cut and paste in this. Okay, cut paste option is also there. We will see in this lesson how to do that. Okay, so it is much better than Notepad. Okay, so now first we will see how to open WordPad. How to open WordPad. Now children, see the text like stories, myself, letter, essay, etc. You can color text. Okay, now see, we can insert picture, we can change the text while typing and after typing also. Now we will see how to open WordPad. Like, see how we open Notepad. Same steps we are going to follow. Okay, you know how to open Notepad. Same step we will follow to open WordPad. Now first what we have to do, we have to click on the start button. You all know where is the start button? It is at the bottom left hand side of the screen. Okay, then when you click on the start button, then you click on the all program. Click on the all program option. After that, click on accessories folder. In accessories folder, there is a WordPad. There is a WordPad. Okay children, see the same steps how we open Notepad. Same way we will open the WordPad. First click on start button, next click on all programs, then click on accessories folder, third step, and in accessories folder there is a WordPad. I will show you, okay, I will show you how to open it on the computer. Right now, see in this picture, can you see in the red color I have mentioned title bar. Okay, and one yellow border is given on the corner right hand side on the top. Okay, I will tell you what is that. We are going to see the components of the WordPad screen. Okay, parts of the WordPad screen. Now one by one, step by step, I will explain you which are the parts are there in this WordPad screen. Now on the top, one blue bar is there. You can see on the top. Okay, on the screen you can see on the top one blue horizontal bar. That bar is called title bar. Which bar? Title, title bar. Title bar is the horizontal bar at the top of the window. When you save your file, when you save this WordPad document, the name will get display on this title bar. Title, T-I-T-L-E. Title means name. It displays the name of the document. You can see on the top, on the title bar, now it is showing WordPad and document. We have not saved this document, so it will show you document WordPad. When you will save the file, it will show the name, file name, the name which you will give to the file. It will come on the title bar. Now children, you can see on the right hand side there is one blue underline. You can see I have marked that in the blue underline. Okay, you can see the 3 buttons on there. 3 buttons on the top right hand side. One is a horizontal, small horizontal line. This line is called minimize button. What is this called? Minimize button. If you click on this minimize button, it will reduce the size of the WordPad window, and that WordPad window will go to the taskbar. Taskbar means bottom, there is one bar on the screen, there it will go. Okay, when you click on that small horizontal line, your window will get minimized and this window will go to the taskbar. Once you again click on this, it will come back. When you again click on that icon on the taskbar at the bottom line, it will again come back. Okay, so children, this small horizontal line is a minimize button. I will show you how to do that. Okay, minimize button, keep in mind it is a minimize button. After this minimize button, there is one square. It is a maximize button. What is this maximize button? See, this maximize button, when you click on this button, your window will get enlarged. Enlarge means you can make your window big. You can make this window big. Now it is in the small size. On the monitor you can make it full big, like your monitor size. Okay children, this maximize button will make your window big. It will enlarge the window. And again, to make it again or to the original size, you can again click on that. It will show you the restore button. It will show you restore button. It will come to the original size. Okay, again it will become small window. I will show you how to do that also. Now, cross button is there, red cross. This red cross is to close the window, to close your WordPad window. When you click on this red cross, it will close your WordPad. It will close your WordPad document. Now children, see here. Understood what is title bar and these three buttons, minimize, maximize and close button. Now we will see ribbon. What is ribbon? R-I-B-B-O-N, ribbon. This ribbon, can you see the red rectangle I have drawn? This full horizontal bar is called ribbon. In this ribbon, you can see a different options. You can see there is B, I, U, then paragraph is written over there. There is A alphabet. You can see the number, 11 number. I will explain you step by step. What is this? These are all options. These are all commands which we are going to use in the WordPad. Okay, these are different commands which we will use. These are different options. Okay, now this ribbon, you keep in mind this horizontal bar, below the title bar there is one horizontal bar. This bar is called ribbon. This bar is called ribbon. It contains some common commands. Some commands like new. See, this ribbon contains three parts. Tab, groups and commands. Okay, which are the tabs? There are two tabs. You can see their home and view. There are two tabs on the ribbon, home tab and view tab. Afterwards I will show you what are the commands and what are the groups on the home tab and the view tab. Now see, you can see here home and view in this screen. I have written TAB, tab. On the ribbon there are two tabs. One, we will see document area. What is document area? See, this white paper white paper you can see on the screen. On this white paper we type the text. We type text, whatever letter we want to type. We want to type essay, document, letter, okay, that you type on that white area. That white area is called document area, is called document area. This is the main working area where you type the text, where you type the text and edit text. Understood, children? This white area is called document area. This is the main area, working area, where we work, where we actually do our work in the WordPad. Understood, children? So today I have showed you title bar, first how to open WordPad, then parts of the WordPad, title bar, and these three buttons: minimize, maximize and close, and ribbon, and two tabs, home tab and view tab. Okay, children, now you see how to open WordPad. I will explain you again. Now how to open WordPad. Okay, first we will see how to open WordPad. Now see here. To open WordPad, first we will click on this start button. You can see at the bottom on the left hand side there is a start button. Okay, click on the start button. Click. Now you can see all program option. Which option? All program. Now in this all program you can see accessories folder. Which folder is there? Accessories. Okay, click on this accessories folder. Click. Now can you see in this? This is WordPad. This is WordPad. 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 Now click on this, children. Okay. Now see here. This is our WordPad window. This is our WordPad window. Okay. Now children, see, WordPad we used to type text. Okay, any text. Here on this blank paper we type. Okay, the cursor is blinking. You can see one line is blinking on the screen. This blinking line is called cursor, where we type whatever text is there. Okay, suppose you want to type ABCD, you can type here ABCD. Okay, you want to type letter, essay, story, you can type in the WordPad. Now first we will see what are the components of the WordPad screen. See, first title bar. Can you see this blue bar on this top? See, on the top you can see here this blue bar. Look at my cursor. Okay, this blue bar is called title bar. You can see the name WordPad over here. See, this is a title bar. Okay, children, on the top of the window. Now I will show you next these three buttons. Can you see here this minus sign? One box is here and this cross sign. Okay, which are these buttons? This is a minimize button. Which button? Minimize. To minimize the screen, you press this button, the screen will get minimized. See here, when I click on this button, what will happen? See, you can see this will go on the taskbar. It will get minimized. See, here is your WordPad. Click on this again. This is your WordPad. Okay, so when you click on this minus sign, you can minimize the WordPad screen. And what is this square? This is maximize button. When you want to maximize the screen, see, you want to make it big, click on this. See here, the window will get maximize. You can make your window big. Okay, now again click on this button. It will minimize, it will restore. Okay, and which is this cross button? This cross is close button. This cross is close button. Click on this cross. The window will get close. See here. This I will do don't save. Now see. The window will get closed. When you want to close, click on that cross button. Now again tell me how to open WordPad. You tell me, children. Start button. Then click on all program. Then click on accessories. And here is the WordPad. You can see here. Click on this WordPad. This is your WordPad window. This is your WordPad window. Now, see, you have seen title bar. This is minimize button. This is maximize button. And this is close button. To close window of WordPad. Okay, children. Now, I will show you this home and view. What is this home and view? These are the tabs. These are the tabs. You can say home tab and view tab. Say with me, home tab, view tab. When you click on the home tab, you will get these many commands or the options. Okay, and when you click on the view tab, you will get some different options. Okay, different commands. Now click on the home tab again. Now children, see here, I will show you this full bar, this from here to here, all these menu, this full line horizontal bar is called ribbon. Is called ribbon. You can call this area ribbon. And on the ribbon there are two tabs. One is a home tab and another is a view tab. So children, now tell me which is this, what is this called blue bar? What is this blue bar? Tell me. This blue bar is title bar, on which you can see the name of the program. Which program it is? WordPad. Okay. And when you save your file or your document, the name will get display on this blue bar, on this title bar. Okay, so this is title bar and these are three buttons. This is minimize, maximize and close. And this is ribbon. This area is called ribbon, and on this ribbon there are two tabs. One is home tab and one is a view tab. Okay children, now very important part I will show you, that is this white area, this white paper. You can see this white paper. Okay, this white area is called typing area. Is called typing area, where you can type the text. You can type the text. Okay, where we actually work. When you type something here, see, my name is. This is working area, where we do our work. This white paper, you can call this typing area also or working area. Okay, work area. So children, what we have seen today, how to open WordPad, what are the parts, components of a WordPad. So title bar, ribbon. In ribbon there are two parts, which are that home tab and view tab. Then what we have seen, this minimize button, here minimize, close and restore button. And we have seen work area, that is working area, blank paper. Okay, we call this blank paper work area. Okay children, so today we have seen this much. Now today you practice at home to open WordPad and type few lines about myself on this white area, which is document area, and you can call a working area also. This is document area. Okay, white paper. So okay children, understood? Now try this at home. Children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Lesson number 7, starting WordPad. So today we have seen use of WordPad. What we do on the WordPad. Okay, we type letter, we type text, we type essay, we type stories. Okay, we use this WordPad for typing, editing. Okay children, then how to open WordPad we have seen. How to open WordPad and parts of the WordPad window. So remaining lesson we will continue in our next online class. Okay children, I hope you all understood. Please open WordPad at home and start typing. Type some 4 lines. Myself also you can type. Okay, try to type. Okay children, thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.